If you clicked on this video, you're probably due to play a game of poker against a baby. Now, I'm here to tell you some basic tips that could help you win. Just a quick disclaimer, each baby is on a different level of development, and so the video is meant to more so give you a general idea of what to accept, rather than anything set in stone. First, let's think about our opponent's biggest strengths. Babies are very hard to read. You cannot gain reliable information about your opponent's cards by trying to read their facial expressions. This chaotic nature carries over to their way of playing poker in general. They are very unpredictable. You're better off focusing on your own game rather than trying to read their hands. Now, you might be starting to shake in your boots, thinking you made a huge mistake by signing up to play against a baby. But do not fear, babies also have plenty of weaknesses. First of all, they're really stupid. These mouth-breathing imbeciles tend to have a very weak understanding of how probabilities work. They're also illiterate, so they're unable to distinguish the values of the cards and probably never even learn the rules of poker in the first place. Besides that, you can easily take advantage of their lack of emotional development. They're easily distracted by funny or frightening facial expressions. To further add to their pathetic nature, babies also lack the motor skills required for cheating. You can rest assured they won't pull an ace out of their sleeves. The sleeves tend to be too small to hide a card anyways. Lastly, if a set of unfortunate circumstances turn the game into a physical altercation, you should have the upper hand, as babies are notoriously weak at combat. Good luck for your game. If you keep my advice in your mind, you should have no trouble winning at all.